Hello everybody. Well, we got a new knife coming out. It's called the Iron Drake. Drake being short for Draco, dragon, and after all, it is fashioned after the Iron Dragon. You'll see a similarity in the handle, but it's got a completely different blade on it. We call it a recurve tonto, and it is a badass knife. The Iron Drake is a knife that, the risk of getting banned off various platforms, this is a fighting knife, okay, period. And it's a formidable knife to carry. You can see it's ground on both sides. It's got a super ergonomic Iron Dragon handle. So this is like an offspring of the Iron Dragon, which a lot of people absolutely love, but you're really gonna love this Iron Drake.